Hi guys, it is Regina Arce again. Thank you so much for joining my channel. If you like, please press the like button and please subscribe. It would be highly appreciated. Today is a real beautiful day. Today is June 19th. And today I just for the first time heard some really crazy news that Aunt Jemima, Aunt Jemima, Aunt Jemima, Aunt, I don't know. I always called it Aunt Jemima, but I guess it's Aunt Jemima, whatever the name is. But I just heard that they're going to be taking the brand off the shelves and rebranding it and getting rid of the logo. And I was just like, oh my goodness, I really like that brand. I really like the brand of Aunt Jemima. And so I started to do a little research about it because they were saying that it was racist or something. And so I did a little bit of research, and this is some of the things that I came up with. They were saying that she was a former slave, and the original woman that came up with its name was Nancy Green or something, and it basically put on a stereotypical black person of a slave or something made, and it was considered to be offensive. And I guess the first couple of pictures when I looked at it, it didn't look too good, but the woman that I saw, I guess I grew up with a different era of Aunt Jemima. I grew up in the 80s, and my mom always bought it, and all I could remember seeing was a beautiful woman on the box, and I liked it. I loved the pancakes. I wasn't too much of a fan of the syrup, though. I was a fan of Log Cabin. But I love the brand of pancakes, and I've also haven't been eating pancakes like that. I've become more of a waffle type person. But I love the Aunt Jemima pancakes. I would prefer them over any other pancakes. So I mean, I do hope that if they rebrand it, I do hope that they put another beautiful woman on the pancakes, and maybe put her with some long hair, make her look beautiful, all dolled up, nice lipstick, nice eyeshadow, looking all as fine as she want to look. And basically, I had some Aunt Jemima pancakes in my kitchen, and I was like, I'm not throwing my pancakes away. I'm going to eat my pancakes. So I want you guys to see how I make my little Aunt Jemima pancakes. Stay tuned. Okay, now the directions say to add 2 cups of the pancake mix and 1.5 cup of water. So I'm gonna do mine just a little bit differently, but anyway, it says heat skillet over medium-low heat or electric griddle to 375 Fahrenheit, and combine all ingredients and pour slightly and cook 90 seconds. On the first side, turn and cook another 60 seconds. Okay, so I guess that's what I'm going to do. And all right. So I'm going to pour 2 cups of mix inside of here. Get in there. Okay, so it looks like it's about 2 cups in there of this mix up in there. I got the buttermilk, the complete, I guess. So I'm gonna pour this inside of the bowl. Take this and pour that right there. Now, and it says to basically pour 1.5 cups of water. So what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to switch up the recipe just a little bit. I'm going to add 1/4 cup. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk, which is, I got right here. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. And I'm going to add 1 egg to the mixture because I don't know. I just don't stay close to the directions and I don't follow them very good. So I gotta hook it up just a little bit and see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to put my little egg in there. Oh man, I always get a shell in there. So let me just take that little shell out, which is right there. Oh, please come out. Okay. Take that little shell out. Now, I'm going to pour some milk in there, which is right here. Take the milk, pour it in there. Just a little bit of milk. And so now I got my milk in there. And now it's almost up to, all right, so it's up to about 3/4. So now the rest I'm going to pour with water to make up the 1.5 cup of water. So I mixed like 3/4 of milk in there. I don't know. So now it's up to 1.5 cup of this stuff. So now all of that made up the ingredients that I now put in. So now it is 1.5 cup of liquid. I also added my egg in there, and now I'm going to take that and I'm going to pour that into the pancake batter mixture along with that egg that I put in there. But I am also not done yet. I am going to add some vanilla flavor. So I'm going to just take a cap full of that, maybe. Pour that into the cap. And take that cap full and just like that. And just to let y'all know, I am a waffle person. Yeah, I'm a waffle person. So I usually eat waffles, but I'm gonna try this pancakes out. And usually Aunt Jemima pancakes is usually the first thing I would probably go for. I'm not too much of a fan of the syrup, but I guess for this time, I guess I'll try the syrup and see how that tastes. So let me just beat this up real quick or stir it up real quick and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now I am basically done stirring. So I stirred it up basically to the point where most of the bubbles are out of it, I guess, and the batter is no longer like visible. It's like no serious lumps in it, I guess. So now I'm going to pour it inside of the skillet or the frying pan. So now as you now see, I have now turned on my skillet. And before I do that, I'm going to rub just a little bit of butter inside of the what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to pour this inside of here. Whoa, it's pretty thick, so And I'm going to leave it on there for about 90 seconds. That's a pretty big pancake, so I'll see how that works out. Okay, so it looks like it has been 90 seconds, a little bit more than 90 seconds, because this is a big fat pancake. So I'm just going to flip it and see. Oh, this actually looks pretty good. Ooh, this actually looks pretty good. And it smells good too. Now I'm not a fan of the sides, so I just take them off because I'm cooking for the hubby, and I want to make sure that he got some nice round pancakes with none of these little things on the side. So wow, and it smells good too. My goodness. So I'm just letting it sit here for an additional 60 seconds, I guess, because that's what the directions said to do. Okay, so now it has been 60 seconds, and I'm gonna see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, this don't look half bad. It looks pretty good. Alright, so I'll just turn it back over on this side just for a little bit more, because I think it's a little bit too light for me. So I'm going to just put a little bit of butter on here and turn it. And let that go there like that. And now I'm going to flip it again, because the back is just a little bit too light for me. So, and I guess I'll leave it like that for a minute. Turn up the heat a little bit to let it get heated more. And I turned up the heat just a little bit. See, I put it on high. And I guess I'll see what it looks like now. To me, that's much better, because I can't stand it when it's so light. So I put it right here. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the batter that is right here. So I'll let you guys see it when I am completely done, okay? Okay guys, so I am finally done with these nice pancakes. There are 6 of them. There's some butter right there because I'm about to throw down. However, I'm not going to eat all 6 of them. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 of them. 3 are for me, 3 are for the hubby, and I'm going to make sure that I eat these pancakes up. They look so delicious, and as we all know, you can't have these pancakes without a little something on the side, because I love to eat my pancakes with sausages and eggs. So now, as I said before, I'm usually not a fan of Aunt Jemima syrup, but I guess I'll pour one out for that beautiful lady and another one out for the other beautiful lady, and of course, pour some out for me, cause my syrup ain't going to waste. And I just do hope that, you know, if Quaker Oats decide to rebrand it and put another logo on, I do hope that they put another beautiful woman on the logo, because I really do think that the woman on the Aunt Jemima brand, I think she was a very, very beautiful woman. So I do hope that, you know, if they do decide to rebrand it, that they put another beautiful woman on the brand. These so good. I love these. Oh my goodness, they taste so good. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I guess I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day, and please be safe out there. And hold on one moment. These were good. But yes, please have a beautiful, blessed day, and please be safe out there from the coronavirus. And again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. That would be highly appreciated. And again, this is Regina Arce. Bye!